Go.
Hi, my name is Joe McBride with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks and Osage Beach. I'm standing on the Sea Ray SPX 230. So you notice there's a spacious swim platform with a manual swim step. We've also got a ring here for your water sports and a big spacious rear sun pad with convertible seating. You have a port side walkthrough. You'll follow me into the cockpit area. One great thing you'll notice about this boat is it has lots of storage and lots of seating. You have a big L lounge, storage, wet or dry under this seat, dedicated cooler under here, stainless steel grab rail. You've got a lot of cup holders, 1, 2, 3, just 4, 5, 6, all kinds of cup holders in this boat. You've got a convertible seating on the port side. So you'll notice this boat features the infinity weave flooring snap in. You've got a big spacious ski locker, great wet storage for noodles and skis and things that you're using when you're out on the water. Moving forward into the dash area, you'll see we've got a Rockford Fosgate stereo, analog gauge cluster, flip-up bolster on the starboard side captain's chair. This boat is powered by a 4.5 liter Mercruiser engine. One unique feature about the SPX 230 is it does feature a head, which is pretty rare for a 23-foot boat, but a nice feature on this boat. Moving forward into the bow, you'll notice spacious seating. 2 speakers up here, stainless steel grab rails. This is very nicely appointed furniture. You've also got a locker right here in the bow. So more storage for, you could fill that with ice, you could make it a cooler or the kids' toys. This is a very nicely equipped boat. It does come with a bimini top and includes the trailer. Folks, if you're wanting a good deal on a boat, a new boat at used boat prices, contact us. This is a 2018. This boat is reduced. If you'd like more info, feel free to contact me, Joe McBride, or any of the other sales professionals at MarineMax. Thank you.